Education drives personal and societal progress by imparting knowledge, skills, and values essential for growth. Today, educational technology enhances this endeavor, integrating digital tools and innovative designs to make teaching and learning more effective, interactive, and accessible, transforming traditional classrooms into dynamic, technology rich environments for all learners. Educational technology revolutionizes learning by engaging students with interactive tools, expanding access to education globally, and personalizing lessons to individual needs. It fosters collaboration among peers and educators while delivering data driven insights, enabling a continuous improvement in teaching methods and significantly enhancing educational outcomes worldwide. Educational technology's roots trace back to the early 1900s with visual aids like lantern slides enriching classrooms. By the 1960s, computer assisted instruction introduced interactive learning, setting the stage for today's advanced tools. These milestones mark the steady evolution of technology shaping modern education. In the 1970s, models like ADDIE, analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation, emerged offering a structured approach to integrating technology into education. This systematic integration ensures tools align with learning goals, enhancing teaching effectiveness, and creating a solid foundation for purposeful and impactful educational experiences. Today, many types of technological tools have entered the realm of education. For example, interactive whiteboards bring lessons to life, turning static teaching into dynamic hands-on experiences. They boost student engagement, encourage active participation, and support collaboration by allowing real-time interaction with digital content. Tablets empower modern education with versatility, enabling students to collaborate on creative projects and access tailored learning resources. Their portability and interactive apps support personalized education, adapting to diverse learning styles, and fostering a flexible, student-centered approach to knowledge acquisition. Virtual reality immerses students in captivating interactive worlds, bridging abstract concepts to tangible understanding. By exploring virtual historical sites or scientific models, learners gain deeper insights, boosting engagement and retention in a way traditional models cannot match, enhancing educational depth. Virtual labs offer a safe, affordable way to explore complex experiments, mimicking real-world science without risks. For instance, a meta-analysis of 46 studies found that virtual laboratories in engineering education significantly enhance learning outcomes. Key benefits include improved knowledge acquisition, increased learning motivation, heightened engagement, and boosted self-efficacy. These advantages were especially notable in developing countries and in disciplines like electrical and mechanical engineering. Studies reveal educational technology's power. For example, students using computer-assisted learning tools often see higher test scores, increasing motivation, and better retention. Research highlights significant achievement gains, proving educational technology's role in enhancing learning outcomes and preparing students for success in a digital age. Artificial intelligence personalizes education by adapting lessons to each student's pace and style, delivering customized support. Artificial intelligence also empowers teachers with real-time insights, identifying areas for improvement and refining strategies, and making learning more effective and responsive to individual needs. Virtual and augmented reality elevates learning with immersive, engaging experiences. Virtual reality transports students to virtual realms, while augmented reality overlays digital insights into reality, enhancing comprehension of complex topics and sparking curiosity through interactive, memorable educational experiences. Future educational technology promises new adaptive platforms, immersive tools, and assistive technologies. Advanced assessments, data analysis, and collaboration software promise personalized, inclusive learning, equipping students with skills for a fast-evolving world and redefining education's possibilities. From lantern slides to artificial intelligence, educational technology has developed, amplifying engagement, access, and achievement. Its thoughtful integration shapes a future of promise where every learner thrives, harnessing innovation to create equitable, empowering education for all.